Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV Wi-Fi boosters on Amazon. A good Wi-Fi signal adds a lot of functionality to an RV camping setup, but it's not always convenient or possible to bring along a mobile hotspot. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Falcon Automatic Directional Wi-Fi Antenna. This fully automatic directional Wi-Fi antenna comes with an extender and provides a fast and secure long-range signal. The setup is done through a King Wi-Fi app for both Android and iOS. It extends 2.4 GHz and has a 5 GHz with a router for faster speeds. It weighs just under 3 pounds, making it very easy to mount and handle. This booster mounts to your RV roof, and it is dual band for faster speeds and a longer distance. You don't need to worry about router installation, and it has a single coax connection between the Falcon and the WiFi. This is also great for long-haul truckers or those that frequently travel. The cable connection doesn't have the smoothest setup. It is also quite expensive. Overall, its performance seems to be dependable and reasonable, but there are reports of slow download speeds in very remote areas. Number 2. WebBoost Cell Phone Signal Booster for RV. This Wi-Fi RV booster works across all US carriers. It works both on the road and at an RV campsite and is great across multiple devices. One of the perks of buying from WebBoost is that you get a 30-day money-back guarantee, as well as a 2-year warranty. The package comes with a DriveX booster, an inside and outside antenna, an AC/DC wall power supply, a hardwired DC/DC power supply, a coax cable, a thread lock, and mounting accessories. It is 5G ready and FCC approved. It is specialized to reach cell towers even in remote areas and will optimize your data plans. This booster is specialized for your cell phone and will not power your tablet or smart TV unless you use your phone as a hotspot. The tech support for this product is not the best, and it may not boost it as strongly as you'd expect. Number 3. TPavco Wi-Fi Outdoor Omni Antenna. This simple outdoor antenna from TPavco is a 3-foot-long roof mount to help extend and repeat Wi-Fi signals. It works at 360 degrees and is made of weatherproof materials to keep it safe. It comes with mounting accessories to make installation easier for you. It weighs nearly 4 pounds and has a simple, gray appearance. It has a long range and gives you a dependable signal. It is a passive antenna, so it can't be connected directly to a network and will need adapters if you wish to connect to a router. The installation is not easy, and you may want 2 people to do it. Number 4. WinGard Connect 2.0 WF2 Wi-Fi Extender for RVs. WinGard's Wi-Fi booster features an antenna, a 20-foot power cable, exterior mounting hardware, interior mounting hardware, and a user manual. It weighs nearly 4 pounds, making it quite heavy compared to other products. This booster will capture available Wi-Fi signals to give you a consistent internet connection. For the setup, you follow the on-screen instructions and then connect all the devices you want to use. It ensures your network is secure and private as well. There are reports of this booster not working right in picking up a signal. However, WinGard is responsive to customer service issues. The booster is also not protected against power surges, so be aware of this. It also only operates on approved networks, so you may have to be selective with what you connect to. Number 5. Barifi Extender Antenna. This booster works for a single computer, making it a great partner to use while traveling or gaming. It is a long-range 802.11 and 2.4 Hz USB Wi-Fi booster with a built-in 10 bi-directional antenna. It also has a 16-foot USB cable that connects to your computer. It is also water-resistant and protected from dust to extend its life. You can mount it via a tabletop tripod, a metal pole mounting band, or a Velcro pole mounting strap. It only weighs 12 ounces. It is only compatible with certain versions of Windows, so if you do not have that version or a Mac OS or Android, it will not work for you. It also does not work with smartphones, tablets, as cell phone booster, or across multiple devices. However, if you need to boost your Wi-Fi for one computer, this is an affordable product for you. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.